How to block websites on Chrome on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial. And on today's video we will see how we can block websites on Chrome. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up Chrome in your Android device. Now you have to search for this site, that is my.nextdns.io. There it might ask you to create an account. Simply sign up for an account and then that's gonna log in. Once you're logged in, you will have this interface. So from there you will have this menu bar at the top of this interface with bunch of menus such as setup, security, privacy. So swipe that to your left, then tap on Denylist. Now here in the text box that says add a domain, you have to add the website that you want to block. For example, I have this website, that is this one right here. For now, I am accessible to this website. But to block it, go to your previous page and here you have to type in the website name. Once you're done with that, tap on this arrow icon from your keyboard. And here, the website has been added. Again, you have to swipe right this menu bar and then tap on Setup. Here scroll all the way down and under this Private DNS there is a code given to you. You have to copy this code. Now head back to your device settings. Open up settings in your device. Search for DNS in the search bar. Then tap on Private DNS. Here you have to choose the third option. Then here you have to clear all of this and then paste the code that you have copied recently. Now once you're done with that, tap on Save. After you do that, you will not be able to open the website that you have added previously. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.